A number consists of two digits whose sum of digits is 8. If 18 is added to the number, the digits interchange their places. Find the number. Now, first condition given to us is that the sum of the digits of two-digit number is 8. Let the digit at ones place be equal to x. Okay. Then the digit at tens place will be equal to 8 minus x, because the sum of the digits is 8. So if x is the digit at ones place, then 8 minus x will be the digit at tens place. Let us first consider any two-digit number. Let us take 72. If we expand this number, we'll write down 7 into 10 plus 2. So here 7 is the digit at tens place and 2 is the digit at ones place. Okay. So what we are doing here, we are multiplying digit at tens place by 10 and adding the digit at ones place. Therefore, the number is equal to 8 minus x multiplied by 10 plus x, because 8 minus x is the digit at tens place and x is the digit at ones place. Okay, so this gives you 80 minus 10x plus x. This is equal to 80 minus 9x. Now the second condition is, if 18 is added to the number, the digits interchange their place. So now what we'll do? We'll take x at tens place and 8 minus x at ones place. The new number will be equal to 10x plus 8 minus x, because x here is now in tens place and 8 minus x is at ones place. So the new number is equal to 10x plus 8 minus x equal to 9x plus 8. Okay. The condition given to us is, if 18 is added to the number, the digits interchange their places. Therefore, our linear equation will be 80 minus 9x plus 18 will give you new number, that is 9x plus 8. Okay. So this is the number which is given to us, and on interchanging the digits we'll get this number. Okay. So now solving this linear equation, we'll get the value of x. So 80 plus 18 will give you 98 minus 9x equal to 9x plus 8. We'll take 9x to LHS and 98 to RHS. So we'll get minus 9x equal to 8 minus 98. Minus 9x will give you minus 18x equal to 8 minus 98 is minus 90. Therefore, x is equal to minus 90 upon minus 18. Minus sign will cancel. 18 ones are 18 and 18 fives are. So x is equal to 5. And 5 is the digit at ones place. Therefore, digit at tens place will be 8 minus 5 equal to 3. Therefore, the required number is 35.